Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah, and if you love luxury, beauty, hair, fashion, don't forget to subscribe down below. I bring new videos to you guys every week, and I love hair. I actually do hair, so if you love all of those things, be part of the fam. Okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna start off, I'm gonna do a current's favorite video and show you all the products I'm loving. I'm going to do hair, skincare, luxury, all of those good things. So I'm going to first start off with my favorite, one of my favorite conditioners. It's by Kevin Murphy. If you guys don't know, I do hair, and I carry Kevin Murphy at my salon, and I highly recommend it. It's very clean, and they use 100% of the bottles are made from plastic from the ocean. So it's helps saving our planet, and it's really good product. So this is the first one. It's the Hydrate Me Wash, or Rinse, Rinse, which is a, they call it Rinse, but it's a conditioner. It's amazing if you have really dry hair, frizzy hair, your ends are really porous. This is amazing. It just gives you hydration. It actually hydrates your scalp too. So if you're someone that gets a really itchy scalp, rub this, the shampoo on your scalp, and it just soothes it. It's got essential oils in it. It's amazing, and everything smells amazing. So this is highly recommended, especially if you're in the beach, the water, the chlorine. You need this. So the next item I'm going to talk about is my favorite bag right now. I hope it's clear. It looks like it's clear. You can see me, because sometimes when I film, I won't notice till after, and you can't even see me. So the next thing is my new bag. If you haven't seen the haul for this, I'll put it right here. Click on it and check it out. But this is my new bag I've been rocking, and I love it. I'll kind of show you. It's really messy right now, so don't judge me, because I've been on the go so much. But I just have like money and receipts and sanitizer in there, and lip gloss. Ooh, I should put some of that on actually. Just reminding me. Another favorite is the Laneige Lip Glow Balm. This right here. As you can see, I'm like almost out of it. You can buy this at Sephora, so I'll put a link to this down below and to my bag. And I also like to use the Thieves hand sanitizer. It's made from essential oils, so it's not so harsh on your hands. So I'll link that down below. And then on this side, I just have like cards and some hand sanitizer wipes. And also, let me show you. You can totally fit your phone in there. So my phone's in there, and you just zip it up, and it's good to go. So yeah, I'm loving this bag, you guys. I highly recommend it. And I can always just throw my phone in the middle if I need to. Okay, all my blondies, all my blonde lovers, the really bright blondes right now, and especially if you're to the beach, to the river, to the lake, in the chlorine, you need this. This is the Repair Me Rinse, which is amazing for blondes. It reconstructs your hair from the inside out. It smells amazing, and like I said, they're all made with this. They have a little bit of essential oils in them, and the packaging, you guys, I love. This is really good. Even brunettes, like if you get that money piece and you feel like it's dry, this will help you. It's amazing. It's a reconstruction strengthening conditioner. It's amazing. Like I can say that a million times, but it really is. It works so well. Okay. And then we're gonna keep going on the hair trend, since my next favorite hair product is, if you curl your hair and you're not one that doesn't like hairspray, because you feel like it's like, if you feel like hairspray is too like crunchy and like hard, I would recommend this. So after I curl my hair, I use this. This is the little travel size. And this is my most sold product. Like this and the Hydrate Me Rinse, these two always sell out because they're amazing. This is perfect. It keeps your curls intact. It gives you a lot of volume. It gives you body, which we all love, and it's perfect. And it's not sticky. It's not a hairspray, but it still holds your curls really well. So I'll be linking all these products down below, so if you want to purchase them, you totally can. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments down below. I love answering your guys' questions and interacting with you guys, so I would love to have you hear what your guys' favorite products are. This isn't all the skincare that I use, but this is just some of my favorites. So I love the Rodan & Fields Activate Hydration Serum, and it's this one right here. You just open it, you push this down, and then just put a couple drops and put it all over your face. I'm in my 30s, so I do like to keep my face very hydrated and like plump. Like that is my goal. I use all hydrating products. And then this is the IS Clinical C Eye Serum Advance Plus. This stuff is amazing, and it a little goes a long way. I just put a little on my fingers and then just tap it underneath my eyes, and it keeps my eyes really hydrated. Try to keep preventing wrinkles, you know, as much as I can. But I do love this product. This product is amazing. And then we're gonna go back to tools. So the tool is this right here. This is the Dyson Corral, and I actually did make a video for it, so I will put a card right here so you can go check that out. But I love this thing. That's what I used today when I straightened my hair, and I curled my hair yesterday, so it really straightened it pretty good, and it makes your hair look so shiny. I feel like my hair looks so shiny. So I love this. You just, the buttons right here, and the nice thing is this is cordless, so it will charge up to 30 minutes, so you don't have to worry about being next to the cord. It just is easy to go. And then it's got these little handles right here. It just makes your hair feel smooth. So if you want more information, check out that video, because I go over how I use it, how to use it, what temperature to use, all of that, because it is very important, especially if you have fine hair, not to put high heat on your hair. It will break at the ends. So I go over what the temperature should be on your hair type. I go into depth on how to use it. So if you're interested in those videos, I will link it back. But yeah, I just wanted to share some of my favorites with you. So I would love to hear what your guys' favorites are. And if you want to see another favorites video, like this video, and I will make sure I make another one. And I can do a hair, like a dedicated current hair favorites video, so I can go over everything in detail. If you would like that, make sure to click the like button so I can make that for you. Also, comment down below what you guys want to see. Like, I love making videos, so I am up for suggestions. Like, I just love doing this. So yeah, I would love for you guys to subscribe and check out my other last video, because if you are a luxury lover like myself, I just posted my experience with Fashion File. So that's a really good in-depth video, so I will put that right here too. So I hope you guys are all doing well, and remember to be kind, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.